think we're ready as well.
Does this thing work? Thick bug house to all?
I don't think that works, but the buttons below the screen work.
Yes. I noticed. Okay, I will do it manually.
Yes. I'm searching 2 minutes as well.
Are you ready, Larso?
Yeah, I'm just trying to connect the AirPods to the computer.
Did you guys play with increment? Or never?
Bug? Bug with increment?
Yes.
Oh.
Doesn't make much sense.
I think
We
I
have
tried
tried
it
it.
once before, yeah.
It's interesting to understand how it works.
Is my sound working?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you all good to go?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So it's gonna be a mini match till Opera says it's done,
Yes.
I guess.
Okay. I guess I'll challenge manually.
I tried to seek, but it didn't work.
Do you see it? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this. Wait. He didn't do the,
I slipped.
Usually.
maybe no queen? Maybe low? Or, I don't know. Whatever you want. Okay, okay, go.
No knight.
No
What the fuck?
knight?
I slipped.
Wait. What do I do with the knight? Oh, you want to go king g7. I see.
Whoa,
do
the
you?
extension is so overpowered. What the fuck? Queen moves are insane. What the fuck? It's not even fair, I think.
Huh, what?
Just press the button and the extension they use. I used it for the first time now. You just press a button and it drops the thing. Like it was on leeches, but even more fast.
Yeah, it's even faster because you don't have to click your mouse.
Yes. It
No queen.
shouldn't be allowed.
Trade? Oh. This looks like the... I don't know. Other thing.
Trade came.
My position is quite good. You get queen most likely. Wait, sit? Oh, go.
No knight.
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what that does.
This extension is
queen.
very ugly. Overpowered. It's so easy to use, what the fuck? Like gaming. I didn't know.
Can I give queen? Can I give queen? Oh, wait, I can just do this. Yeah, sorry.
Oh.
Wait, no pawn? Oh, wait, he just does this, right? Oh, I slipped too. L. He'll never see it.
Can I get a pawn?
Wait, can you sit?
Now play g6, I guess. A bit slow.
Okay, you can go. What the?
Yeah, but this is
Yeah, that's
not
crazy.
that good for me.
Yes, I'm giving queen.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Hello.
Okay.
You get a lot.
I guess my bad.
Holy. That is a lot. I'm messing it up, of course.
Oh, I'm dead. He's dead anyways.
Low. Is it?
Bishop.
Nope, never mind.
Trades are good.
Hard, maybe. Can I get a blocker of some kind? Not that.
Nice blocker
yeah.
for the G5.
Nice blocker.
Okay, here's your rook. Perhaps that'll
Knight.
help. Wait. Oh, okay.
Protect. Oh.
Oh?
Ooh, yeah, it's still fine, I think, but
You on pawn or
kind
what?
of want to
Yeah.
go
Okay,
something
yeah,
else,
that's good.
like this move. I'm fine, I think.
I'm kind of
More than
safe, but
fine.
I'm down a lot of material. Oh no. Can you hold? Oh shit.
Going well. You're doing well.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you sit? Oh, balls. Can you go? Sorry.
Want me to sit, Larso?
Oh, that's my bad.
Yeah, that's too much. Oh, knight maybe?
Knight.
Yes.
Trades
Oh,
are
wait.
good.
That's
Okay,
fine.
I'll just take this one too, whatever. Wait. I almost played queen d4, holy shit.
Bishop.
Yes, do that. Maybe sit before blocker.
Sorry, I thought for a million years there.
Doesn't really matter. You're doing very well. And I'm fine.
Okay, so I can take his queen. Yes.
Once, yes, yes.
Low. Fuck, bro. Low. Oops.
Oh.
Low.
Come.
I'm okay.
Trades are good.
Okay.
Got a lot for the queen. Maybe no
Maybe
knight.
Maybe knight for me. It's not that good.
You're doing well. Yeah, nice.
Okay.
I think I can give
give-
one knight. I don't see what
I
it
do
does.
pawn f4 maybe.
Okay.
I don't know what to do here, sorry. Maybe no queen.
Wait, it's my turn.
Watch his queen. I like my bishop on e8. Very nice setup.
No rook. Probably.
I messed this up, I think.
Can you sit? I hope that doesn't threaten anything. Go. Knight.
Not a knight.
Okay.
It's fine now.
You want to
All
move?
is fine. All is fine. I don't know. I've made
Queen.
it very hard for myself.
Trades are
I
good.
see. Queen takes g5
Knight.
is interesting if it comes to it.
Queen.
Okay, okay.
What do you want me to play? Like I need to take d4 or take
Yes.
a1?
Yes.
Okay, pawn gets you.
Okay.
Do it.
Oh,
D4.
knight? Maybe?
Oh, but you can force some stuff. Oh, you're
I think
leaving.
just take. You might be.
Oh, I'm fine, kind of, but you know.
Wait, should I just move here?
Knight.
Hold the
I'm
knight.
gonna move.
I
I'm
think.
gonna move. I'm gonna move. I've made. I've made.
Okay, I did something very.
Yeah, I had to give the queen at some point.
Yeah, but that was fully my
Good.
bad.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh. Can I take that?
Knight.
I can't take that. Sorry.
Maybe
Or
no
I don't
bishop.
want. I don't want to take that.
knight
Yeah,
comes
I'm
in,
sorry.
that's
I'm
so good.
sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Can I
This is
get my
good,
queen?
but we're down a little.
Probably not.
Yes.
Wasn't too good.
Oh,
Not fast.
shit.
Yes. Oh shit.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here.
That's what I like to
Oh,
hear.
I blundered, mate.
It's not even.
Play f6. Play f6. Don't worry. I think
Okay.
he's trying to win time by talking. He did it all the time.
Yeah, but I mean, knight was good for me too.
Just win. Oh, he went for it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay. What do I do here? Can I get stuff?
I like my position.
Oh, just play wood. Play
Maybe
wood.
low.
Let me think here.
Opper, you should
Yeah,
have played
very low.
one f6.
I have main wood.
Oh. It was
Or,
actually that
that's a
low.
lie.
My bad. I should have said sit. I
I've
didn't
made
realize
it.
it was
No,
just mate.
yeah.
You could have gone king d8 maybe.
Bishop c6.
Uh-huh.
Oops, mate in two.
Trades are good. Should I go? Yeah, whatever. Okay, this is not that smart.
Queen's good? Want queens?
No queen.
No.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Went for that. What should I do?
I can hold. I feel like you need to attack on your board somehow, because I'm not doing so hot.
Trades are good.
Okay. My position's quite bad.
Pawn.
Oh, what have I done?
Oh.
I blew it completely.
Oh,
So bad.
what
I
a
have
carry.
mate.
Holy.
My bad. I'm enjoying the extension too much, and I forgot to
Yes.
play good the bug out.
Yes. Free pawn.
No pawn.
Okay, I said. Wait, what? I moved.
Watch the
I
clock.
moved, yeah. Oh, fuck. What am I doing?
Maybe no queen. Final.
Couple diags, maybe? I'm pretty safe here.
Me too.
No knight.
Okay.
No knight.
That's a stupid move.
Queen b1. What's wrong with you? I'm ready to put. Oh, he's playing for the draw. What the fuck? I'm so safe. He just gave me lots of free stuff. Now I'm gonna die because I said this. You need to win, but you're gonna win.
Have mate.
What is this?
Don't trade.
Okay. That's it. Okay, I'm going.
I want a bit of stuff you can push. Maybe low.
I'm not playing too good here.
I did a bad move.
No worries.
Sorry.
Maybe. Okay, I'm
Oh,
fine.
what the
Yeah.
heck did I do? Bro.
Oh,
Oh,
I actually took it.
I opened my thing.
Maybe rook?
Maybe no
Want
rook.
queen?
Definitely rook.
Oh, no rook. Okay.
Okay. If not, it is.
Yeah, just sit before the
fine.
rook.
Okay.
Okay, you can go now. I'm fine.
Low, 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 very low.
I'm doing well, finally. You can do whatever. You're also doing nicely.
I kind of need the rook. Sorry.
Oh, he's baiting me to give the rook. Can I give a rook? Finally? Or not yet?
Mm,
One rook is fine, no? King takes.
I guess
play
one
rook
rook
F2.
is fine. But if
Can I
two,
play
then
rook
yeah,
F2?
mate.
Oh, maybe just pawn. I'm kind of
You
winning.
can go rook f2, it's fine.
I kind of need it.
Yeah, you just go rook f2. Go for it.
Yes.
I believe.
Do it. Do it. Okay.
Map week.
It worked, actually.
Ah.
Rook F2 for the win. High five. Overtime.
Coming.
Oh, wait.
So much pre-moving. Holy.
So many.
Holy, slow down.
Do I have anything?
Sit.
Mm,
The rook is fine. Somehow.
I'm gonna get you some stuff. I'm sorry.
yeah, we are way down.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Can't really chess this. And I have
Oh,
some
watch
attack.
me. Oh,
Said go ahead.
no way
You don't
did
even believe
that.
in your chess.
No way.
Wins? You want
Yes.
win?
Yeah, sure, it's the same for me. Just
Low.
oh shit.
Okay, now give me some stuff. Like one pawn, maybe?
No
Or-
rook.
Yeah, no, okay, yes.
Pawn is
Rook.
fine. Pawn is
Yeah,
no
yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Just no rook.
I don't
Rook
have a
is
pawn.
very good. Wait, don't pre-move anything. Too
Bishop
silly.
e2 maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Bishop b5, knight g4. Bishop b5 to protect e2, and then you can go knight g4 after. I think you just have to go quick.
Also hold.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm fine.
Just keep going quickly.
Oh, he mouse flipped. I can get you a queen and stuff.
Go.
Gonna win.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Keep going.
Maybe.
I've
Actually,
checked.
it's not that good.
Okay. Not giving much.
Yeah. Like one rook is fine.
Oh, I stopped checking.
Oh, I'm giving win.
Okay. Go. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Here's a queen.
Go fast. Flag him, maybe. Get queen. Like that.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's down on time.
Oh, I'm lucky.
How many
That's
moves
very
would you
lucky.
say? We
No,
played
but
57 moves.
yeah, but
57
I
moves.
was just lucky that he
I
dragged his
missed mate.
knight and tried to put it
When he
back.
took my queen,
and
I had mate, simple mate. Knight f6. You will see that in the recording, I think. Oh, kind of
Lily.
messed up.
Wait, sit. Or you can go. Just
get a
maybe
pawn.
no queen. Definitely no queen.
Trades are good.
Bishop
try.
will be nice later,
Bishop.
maybe.
Oh,
Position
what
is
am I
pretty
doing?
tough. Can I have a bishop, maybe? At some point?
I'm sitting. Oh, I can't sit. Okay.
but I really think you shouldn't sit there.
Feed.
Yeah.
That was my bad.
Queen
Yeah,
mates.
I wasn't expecting you to sit, but I think we're.
Messed up the opening. Okay,
Wish.
what can we do?
I mean, queen mates me. Now I'm probably
Yeah.
getting mated after that pre-move.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Oh, he
Stop
said
my
that was the
opening.
last one. Oops. Tiebreaker.
Breaking, yes.
Oh, sorry. Wait. I forgot how to count. No rook. Oh, balls. I need to take this guy. Okay, I'm safe. All is fine. Just play board.
Dag for good. But I kind of messed up, I think.
All is fine
In
for you, yeah?
general.
Rook.
Hard to get.
I have mate.
Wait,
Pawn.
what the heck is going on?
Pawn.
Another one?
Kind of suffering
I don't know what's happening.
badly.
Wait, we're still down.
Oh, I missed this one.
Here's another.
Dead. Yeah, I'm
Uh,
dead. Go, 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 go.
I
Yeah,
don't
okay.
think I'm winning this.
Yeah. Not playing so well sometimes.
Okay, GG's. Oh, Papa
Did win
Pizza.
some rating.
I'll play with Mr. Papa Pizza then.